Hello friends, we are going to be looking at 5 top smart home gadgets part 1. Smart homes are made up of smart gadgets. These gadgets are there to help us perform tasks at home smartly and save us energy and time. They also save us money that would have been used to pay for labor. Please subscribe to my channel and also put on the notification button so as not to miss out of any information on new trending smart technologies. There are numerous smart gadgets for your smart homes, but the 5 top smart home gadgets include 1. Robot vacuum, particularly the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus. This is an automated vacuum cleaner usually used in cleaning floors at homes. This particular vacuum comes with automated dirt disposal and has powerful suction ability. It empties itself every 60 days. It works with Alexa, handles hard floors and carpets effortlessly, and also does smart mopping. It is equally ideal for cleaning of pet hairs. It recharges itself and works with the Wi-Fi connection. It also comes with a Google Voice Assistant and can be purchased at Amazon for $499. 2. SwitchBot Curtain. This particular curtain device can open your curtain at your pace with just a command. This can convert a regular manually operated curtain rail to an automated one. The SwitchBot comes with an app which helps you operate your curtains at your comfort. The battery doesn't run down easily, but you need to charge every month through the USB-C port at the back because it makes use of lithium battery. If you don't like charging it up, then you could use the SwitchBot solar panel. The panel costs about $19, of which you can either plug at the back of the SwitchBot or bond them to your curtains adhesively with Velcro. Other accessories you might be needing include the switch button remote, which cost around $19, and then the $39 mini hub, which is automated through IFTTT. The SwitchBot curtain can be found on Amazon at the rate of $99. 3. Remushio 3 Plus Sensor Plus Power Adapter Multi-Pack. It is virtually for opening of the gate. It comes with 2 output relays that have different trigger input, which includes one for opening of the gate and the other for closing. It has an AC voltage of 12 to 24 volts and DC of 5 to 32 volts, which makes installation easy as it can be powered by the control board. You can control this pack from anywhere outside your home with the use of Wi-Fi connectivity, and even when you're out of data, you can also connect it to your Bluetooth. The opening and closing of the gate is the work of the sensor, while the power adapter, which has a voltage of 5, can through a wall socket power Remushio 3 either with a Type-C, Type-A, Type-G as used in UK and Type-1. There is a cable for connecting the device to your gate. This multi-pack can be found on Amazon at the rate of $119. If you are enjoying the list of smart home gadgets, please give us a like, comment, subscribe to my channel and also put on the notification button so as not to miss out of any information on smart home gadgets. 4. Smart Door Lock works with either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection and the Google Voice Assistant. The Smart Door Lock comes with fingerprint, which keeps you away from searching for the keys of your house. It has built-in protections like emergency battery nodes, PIN requirements, and decoy codes for keypads. Some of the door lock have adjustable handle, Bluetooth electronic digital deadbolt lock with keypad should in case your power goes off, IC cards or Ekis as the case may be. They all work with Alexa for home apartment. The price ranges from $104 to $300 depending on the features and durability of the product. 5. Espresso Maker is an automatic machine with an inbuilt adjustable grinder. It has a steam wand for making milk flat or coffee foamy. The wand can be adjusted as well. There is a pressure gauge and also has a tamping mechanism that ensures the excellent packing of the grounds. It also dispenses hot water. The Dual Impresso comes with dual wall filter baskets for pre-ground coffee beans, a trimming tool, tamper and a milk jug to be used with the attached steam wand. The Impresso Maker would cost you $149 to $800 to purchase, depending on whether it's a single or dual compartment. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel and also put on the notification button so as not to miss out on our 5 top smart home gadgets part 2.